Jake is going to try to put those in his mouth. Did you get it in there?
Yeah, you got it in there, all right.
I don't think so. Oh, yay, you did! You got it in your mouth. Good boy. Do you like those? Are they good? Show Daddy you can eat it. Pick it up.
Mom, give the eye. I'm ready. It's funny stuff.
Have another one. Look. Have another one.
Just forgive me. Be my mama bear. Be
Well,
my
I'm doing
mama
the dishes, so
bear.
you do it, will you?
If I don't try, read hard, not button. Sound good?
I'm sorry, but you can't go back there. You're cleaning the dog's dishes all the time.
Put it in your mouth, Betty.
You think she'd mind if I just wash her tins?
Are you going to eat it? Are you going to eat it? Is it still in your hand? It's still in your hand, right there. See? Look. You make it to your mouth. There you go. Good boy. You got it. Give me 5. Give me 5. Say, I love you, Daddy.